See, we want to protect our milk. We want to protect our farmers. We have Nandini. We have a better brand than Amul. Amul once upon a time, okay. Now situation has changed.
A political slugfest broke out between the ruling BJP and opposition Congress and JDS on Saturday over the threat to Karnataka Milk Federation's famed dairy brand Nandini following Amul's entry to the state. In a setback for Gujarat-based dairy giant Amul, a hotel body in Karnataka has decided to use only Nandini milk to support the state's dairy farmers. The decision by Bruhat Bangalore Hotels Association comes on the heels of the political slugfest in the poll-bound state. In a statement, the Bruhat Bangalore Hotels Association, without naming Amul, said that Kannadigas should only promote Nandini milk products. We are all proud of Karnataka's Nandini milk produced by our farmers, and it should be encouraged. In our city, clean and delicious coffee stands as the backbone of snacks, and we encourage it with great pride. It is being heard that milk from other states is being shipped to Karnataka recently. We are all Nandini, read a statement from Bruhat Bangalore Hotels Association. On Wednesday, Amul had teased its launch in Bangalore, adding that the e-commerce platforms will be used to enable the delivery of its dairy products, raising concerns that its entry will pose a threat to the state's local brand. The Amul versus Nandini war has raged ever since Union Home Minister Amit Shah sparked speculations of a merger between the KMF and Gujarat's Anand Milk Union Limited during a visit to Karnataka in December. We want our rights, our land, our soil, our water and our milk to be protected. We don't want the Gujarat model. We have a Karnataka model here. Karnataka Congress Chief D.K. Shivkumar said amid the row over Amul's entry into the state. While the opposition parties have charged that the BJP government was out to finish Nandini, Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai said that government is clear on the issue of Amul. He added that not only has the milk production increased in the state, but incentives have also been given to the milk producers. The Chief Minister stressed that several major dairies of KMF in the state have been established during BJP rule. Kumaraswamy, the JDS second-in-command, alleged that Amul has this bad thinking to finish off its lone competitor Nandini in Karnataka itself. One nation, one Amul, one milk and one Gujarat has become the official policy of the central government. Hence, Amul is strangulating KMF by standing in its support, Kumaraswamy charged. During Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Mandya in December 2022, where he inaugurated a mega dairy of KMF with a capacity to process 10 lakh litres a day at a cost of Rs 260 crore, the opposition had targeted him for his purported remark that Nandini and Amul should come together.
See, we want to protect our milk. We want to protect our farmers. We have Nandini. We have a better brand than Amul. Amul once upon a time, okay. Now situation has changed. We are in a modern age. We are producing the very big milk in the entire country. Karnataka is a big strength, and you come and see in my own constituency what you have. Better than the Amul, we have a modern producing unit of milk and various allied products. The water rate and the milk rate has become one in Karnataka for the farmers. Even they are getting only 28 rupees, and even the water is also 24-25 rupees. This is too unfair. The feed prices are very high. We don't want any Amul. We want our water, our milk, our product is to be sold in our state.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.